Well, guys, I got a welder, and it's shoot, I just forgot the name of them, but yeah, I got one of these welders, and I've been working on this snake. Oh, just working along on the snake, seeing how looks pretty good. I might raffle it for $5. See if I can make $20 off of it. Try to get 4 people at least. I ended up painting it and everything. And I got some teeth on it. Just welding on this. What's really bad about this is it has a ton of slag. Just like a stick welder, but worse. And then I think it's sticking. I poured so much WD-40 on this thing.